Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change sharpness level on your Finlux 39 FHF 5150. So in order to do that we'll need to press the home button on our pilot. It's located right here. So press on it and navigate to the settings by pressing the arrows on your pilot. So find settings, find settings, press OK, and from here navigate to the system right here. Press OK and navigate to the left till you find the picture. Now scroll down and get to the sharpness. From here you'll be able to change its level by pressing the left arrow to lower it and the right arrow to increase it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.